Okay. For our last task, so every time your week starts, like for Monday, make sure you're going to remove old outstanding connection requests that have not been accepted by your target market. Okay? So always start your day by removing old outstanding connection requests, could be over 2 weeks and above, to prevent LinkedIn from placing invitation restrictions on your account. So restrictions could be as short as an hour or a month, so make sure to do this step. So this is an invitation you send to your connection request. So all you have to do is go here, My Network, and then from invitations, you go to Show All. Then you will see here, invitation sent. And then if this is sent 1 day ago, so we'll be looking for at least 3 weeks ago. Okay, 3 weeks and above. So let's try this one. Page 3. 2 weeks ago. Okay. If we're going to remove this connection, LinkedIn will give us a chance to connect with them again after 3 weeks. Okay. So let's remove like this one. So 1 month ago. So withdraw. Okay. Withdraw. So just withdraw. So the reason for this is to prevent LinkedIn from flagging you to or for sending connection requests. Okay. So any old connection requests that have not been accepted, you just have to withdraw it. So this is how you withdraw your connection. Okay. So 1 month ago, let me sell you. So usually I do this every Monday, okay, as I start my week. So I have to remove old request, outstanding connection request. Okay, then after you do that, you update in your LinkedIn lead gen tracker. Okay, so like this one, remove old requests. Okay, that's how you remove the old outstanding connection requests. But still, LinkedIn will give you a chance to connect with them after 3 weeks. So that's it. That's how you remove the outstanding invitation. Thanks.